Hello everyone. So in this video we're gonna see how to test diodes. So let's see first what is the definition of diode. So a diode is an electronic component that allows current to pass in one direction but not in the other. As you can see here, so this is the symbol for diode, as you can see. So diode basically contain two terminals. As you can see, the positive terminal or the anode and the negative terminal or cathode. So the current passes just from the anode or positive terminal to the cathode, okay, in this direction. As you can see here, this arrow means the direction of the current. We have here I. But in the other direction, from cathode to anode, the current cannot be passed. So the diode allows just the current to pass in one direction. Okay. So let's see now how to test the diode using the multimeter. So as you can see here, to test the diode using the multimeter, you should first select, as you can see, the buzzer option. This is the buzzer option or the diode option or the continuity option in the multimeter, okay? And then you should put the read probe or the positive probe of the multimeter in the plus side and the negative probe in the minus side or in the cathode. So by using this configuration, you should get a reading in the multimeter about 0.700 or 0.695 in accordance with the type of the diode. Okay, so but if you inverse, as you can see the probes, as you can see the red probe in the cathode or the minus terminal and the black probe in the plus terminal or anode, you will get, as you can see, open load. As you can see, you will not get any reading. So if you get these two values here, okay, means the diode is good. Now here is the question: how can we know if the diode is damaged or is a bad diode? So if you check the diode using the multimeter, if you get a buzzer or a continuity in the multimeter, means the diode is shorted, is bad.